Hi, I'm Casper.
I'm Zion.
Welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur, a spacious and smooth MPV for Singaporean.
Let's welcome our new Honda Freed Hybrid 7-seater, monthly from 1203.
The Honda Freed has a sleek and modern design with a new facelift and refined interior. Sleek may be a little stretch, but if you compare it to other bigger MPV, the Freed is pretty sleek.
The exterior of the Honda Freed Hybrid features an adjustable LED headlights, automatic corner headlights, power adjustable exterior rear view mirrors, alloy wheels, and outside rear view mirror turn indicators.
One thing I love about Honda Freed Hybrid is the windshield. They are so wide that you could see a view at one glance. If your second row passengers need some privacy, there are also built-in blinds that can be pulled up to block praying eyes.
The interior of the Honda Freed Hybrid is elegant and spacious. It has a touchscreen display audio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Last but not least, we currently having a great promo. 10 years and 100% loan available, lowest interest rate from 1.68%, extended 10 years warranty and servicing, free premium car accessories.
With free road tax, free insurance, free installment, loan package from zero down payment available, highest trade-in guaranteed, with 1 big guaranteed CO without top-up, ready stock with immediate delivery. Any further enquiries, welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur, Singapore trusted leading car dealer since 2014. We are always here for you. See you on the next video. Bye!